So how does it work if you want to save a long video to the iCloud? Let's get started and explain that. So the iCloud videos might be automatically uploaded and synced to the iCloud if you have the specific settings enabled for it. So you can find it inside of the settings, then you need to tap on your profile picture at the top and proceed to the iCloud. And you can find the photos right there, so you can easily just turn it on. And the photos, if you have the syncing enabled, all of them, no matter if they're long or short ones, will be uploaded to the iCloud. However, if you would like to get a more of a manual control over this, you can use the web-based solution. So you're going to be able to access the internet through Safari website, right? So you can go to Safari and look up the iCloud.com where you can sign in with the very same Apple ID. So you're going to get in there and you just want to, of course, scan your face if it gives you that option and get inside of your account. And in there, you can browse through all of the things right here and just get to the photos section so you can easily upload the videos manually by clicking on the upload button. So this gives you the manual control, which is kind of lacking between or in the built-in apps on the iPhone. Like you don't have any manual uploading to iCloud within the Photos app or anywhere else, so you need to technically use this approach. So let me know below in the comments if you managed to upload the video to the iCloud. Subscribe for more guides and tutorials like this one, and I'll see you later.